Okay, so let's finish this out if we can here. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pink, my highlighter in pink. And I'm going to do my non-metals. And then we're going to go back after here in a minute, and we're going to pick up those pesky lanthanides and actinides. They're at the bottom of the chart, which are just more metals. Those 2 rows at the bottom of the chart are more metals. But I forgot to color them in, so we'll go back here in a minute. So let's do our non-metals. So I'm going to do my non-metals in pink. I'm going to start over here on the left side. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Okay. A non-metal, it's a gas at room temperature, right? Bonds with lots of stuff because it needs to, because of that one lone electron. And then over here, these are all non-metals. I'm going to start here with carbon, then go up, get all of my noble gases. Here's all my noble gases. Now, you need to understand, again, I'm going to go all the way down, even though this is in that same family, so we're just assuming that they have similar properties. Those new elements here at the bottom. Okay. Yep. Well, it's hard to draw. There's all my non-metals. Okay. Can you have a non-metal that's not a gas? Can you have a solid non-metal? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. On that periodic table on the wall, the color coding tells us that yes, carbon at room temperature is a solid. Phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, those are solids at room temperature. Will they have the same properties of metals, solid metals? No, they don't. Okay, and that's what you need to find out. You need to find out what are the properties of solid metals and the properties of non-metals at room temperature. Do they act the same way? And you are going to fill that out on your own on that table on the back. Okay, you need to have that filled out before this time next week. Okay, and then take a look at this. Down here at the bottom, again, I just forgot to fill it in, but I'm going to go ahead and draw with my green marker. These 2 rows at the bottom, they actually just get taken out from up here because if you stuck them up in the chart, it just makes the chart look really wonky. It sticks those bottom 2 rows out, so that's why they put it underneath. But these are all metals as well. So metals all down here. A lot of these are radioactive. Many of them are man-made. They're synthetic. All right. So there's our periodic table, okay? And by this point, you should have pretty much everything filled in. We're going to switch back over and get these definitions right here because these are patterns in the periodic table. Okay, these are patterns in the periodic table. So let's see if I can